Hey guys, what's up? Today we're on another Vehicle Legends video. Well, my first Vehicle Legends video. Well, I'll show you around the map. If you don't know the point of the game, you have to drive to get money, and you can buy cars, like one of these. And I'm going to show you both of my cars, and I'm going to drive both of them for you. And you can buy boats dealerships, and there's these signals. So there's 2 boats outright, 3 boats. 1, 2, 3. Well, let's get out of here. I'll show you around the map. Oh, straight road for me. Alright, so this is where you can get houses. I'm pretty sure for the new update they delete going in the houses. I'm gonna go check right now. Oh no, they didn't. Alright, well, let's show you my next car that I have. Alright, so we got this car, my favorite car. You see, I love it because the speed of it, and I can turn easy even when I boost. And it works great in sand. So let's go try it out in sand. And we're in the desert. See? I can drift good. Donuts. I don't know if no, that's not donuts. What is this over here? Oh! I don't know what that is. Alright, so this is the desert. And this is where you can buy planes. See? Ow. Aircraft customization. Same thing. Let's go over to the next area. It may take some time, so I'm gonna pause and come back.